Good morning, this is Cassandra Hansel. Today we are going to be talking and going through Doodle and how to use it. Doodle is an online scheduling tool used by more than 30 million users a month. Deciding on a date and a time for a meeting between a few people can be hard enough. Scheduling meetings with large groups of people is even worse. Doodle offers several different ways to set up polls, surveys, and will help you quickly and efficiently set up your time for your next meetings or event. So here we're already at the Doodle home screen, and it's just doodle.com. The first thing we're going to do is create a meeting. We're going to start with our meeting title. We're just going to go with fiscal year budget. So after you do the title, you go to location, and then you can put in some notes to make sure that you can jog your memory. And we'll click continue. Next, it'll help you choose the date. We are going to go with next Monday the 2nd. Continue. This one gives you a poll setting so you can know if this will work for some people. And finally, finish. It gives you the option to invite participants. And that's how you add an event. Now next we are going back to the dashboard. You just click the drop down, that'll give you your name. It shows you right here your event. You can click on your invitations, it'll show you all, sent, received, confirmed, or archived. You click here, you can start a group meeting, you can do a bookable calendar, a one-on-one meeting, and a survey. So we're going to go next to the bookable calendar. It just takes a second to load. And here it gives your availability throughout the days. So if I had someone call and say they needed a meeting for this Friday at 9, I can click here and delete, saying that I am no longer available. You can change the hour, the duration, sorry. You can change the future horizon, anywhere up to a year. You can give a minimum notice, buffer time, so if you wanted different times between the meetings, and you can also change the time frame here. You could also add a custom question, like, what is the goal for today? Save changes, and then done. Now we are going to go and do a one-on-one meeting. And this is actually a pro feature. So, get back to the dashboard. And that is Doodle. Thank you for coming today.